Hello, and welcome again to Habibi's Home Medical and Habibi's Durable Medical Equipment. Today, we're going to be talking and showing you how to assemble a tub transfer bench. A tub transfer bench is a tool that is used to help you climb from outside to inside the tub, and it is most helpful for people with severe mobility problems and people that may be wheelchair bound. So today, we're going to take this thing out of the box here. And as you can see, the box is quite compact, so if we ship this to you, this is how it's going to come. And as I pull each part out, I'm going to go over what each part is. This would be the inside of the tub portion of the bench. And you can tell that from these two little holes, which will have the handle that allows you to slide across the bench. Next up, we have, of course, the other half of the tub transfer bench. This is the portion that's going to go outside of the tub. And I'm going to go ahead and get this done right now to assemble the two halves. Once again, we have these little pins that fit one right within the other. And pop this down, pop that down, and they snap in. The next piece out is the handle. This handle is used to help one pull across the bench and get into the tub fully. Now this is the one that's a little tricky because you got the little pins that go in there, and sometimes they're a little bit tight because this piece is a little bit stronger, a little bit thicker. Next up, we have the legs. Now I want to show you on these legs something interesting. You of course have the legs, and these are the legs that go into the tub. And the reason these legs are the ones that go into the tub, as you can see quite clearly, these legs have what looks like a suction cup, which it is a suction cup. But the larger, broader base allows this particular piece and leg to be more firmly and strongly supported in the tub. So, pull off the cap on that and pop this right in there like so. Next one, pop the cap off and slip it right in like so. Now the legs that go outside of the tub do not have the suction cup piece on them. They are simple, straightforward legs that have the small, almost looks like a cane base. And these go on the outside of the tub. So, as you can probably tell, I've put one or two of these things together in my life. So, I kind of know how to do this pretty quick. All right, now what are we missing? We're missing the backrest. Now the backrest in this case, simple piece like this, and to keep it small and compact as possible, the portions of the backrest that actually go into the backrest here that extend out these little arms on the backrest are right here. And once again, they simply snap right in or click right in like so. Now, depending on which side of the bathtub your shower head is on is what determines what side this will go on to. To keep this nice and simple, what we're going to do, I did that wrong too, is we're going to stop this in this way like so. Now, as you can see, once again, real simple. Just like so. Now, we're ready to take a shower.